Hey guys, it's Amber and I've been working on day 13. It's gonna be a nice simple one. It's just about my holiday read this year. So what I've been working on trying to figure out is how I want to put my number. I was inspired by Allie using these numbers from the, I'm pretty sure it's the numbers kit, they're vellum. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to use the, basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna have the journaling on the back. I've got it printed out on sticker paper here, so I'm going to adhere that on the back of the card. And then on the front here, I'm going to layer the transparency and then the vellum numbers. And I'm trying to decide if I want to go with the silver or if I want to go with the gold. I generally tend to not really love gold, but the only thing that's making me lean towards it is these kind of yellow light looking dots on the book cover are more gold. But I actually think it looks better in silver, just in general. Also, these are not perfect circles, which has been driving me crazy because I was trying to punch stuff out. But yeah, not perfect circles. They're slightly oval. So what I'm going to be doing is probably stapling these in place. Once I get a position. And then I think what I want to do is, I'm taking one of the green stars. This is one of the only ones I have that doesn't have like a super busy pattern, or I can cover it. And I'm taking one of the fabric pieces. This one says Holiday Story, which I thought was perfect. And I think I'm just going to layer that right on top here to help pull in the stars and give me a place so it's not just kind of like hanging out all by itself. I did consider layering this joy word because it kind of fits on there really perfectly. And I originally was going to have the words facing out, and it's the one with the joy sentiment. I thought that would look really good, but it's so creamy. My blanket's gray and this is white, so it just wasn't really working. I considered pulling out one of my dies. This is a really old one from Allie, maybe 2016 or something like that. I was thinking about doing Mary. I was worried that it was going to get bent because this is going to be very thick. So I'm thinking that I'm not going to go that route. Thinking that just stapling this on top will be fine. And then I was also digging a little bit through my stash. I have these little flags here. I was trying to find something that maybe if I wanted to just put here. What's funny about it though is it's like the color I need, it says All I Want for Christmas, which happens to be the title of the book. So I don't want it to be too repetitive, but I am thinking that maybe once my journaling's down, maybe I can like layer it on the bottom and cut off the circle. We'll see. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to utilize it or not. I think I have talked myself into sticking with the silver. First, I'm going to work on my journaling here. So I know that the celebrating is pretty much towards the top there. So the smallest that my printer will go is 4x6. So actually I'm gonna do this one here instead. So I had to print on a 4x6. This is basically I'm trying to make sure I don't have any red fuzzies from the felt pocket that are gonna get under here. Which I see there are some on there. I have the digitals from the December Daily Kit because I was an ambassador last year. So I was able to pull up the digital and just add my journaling right where I wanted it to go in Photoshop by just creating a text box and then just dragging it and dropping it onto a 4x6 canvas and printing it out. So I knew it would be the right size. So you guys have seen me use this Mako sticker paper many, many times. I always have it linked in my bio information. Just get that trimmed out. sharpen my nonstick scissors. They're starting to get a little sad. They work fine, but they're getting a little dull for sure. So one of my tricks for sharpening scissors is to actually take a little piece of aluminum foil. I like take like a long strip, fold it in like in half basically, and then just make like tons of tiny little cuts along it, and that will help sharpen your scissors. If you've never tried that before, definitely do it. The other part of the issue is I need to like de-stick it. It's gotten a little gummed up, because these are what I always cut all my stickers with. So this one will be a nice, quick, easy one. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with it. I have a couple different versions of this photo. I had one that was like a 7x8 size that I was thinking about adding some like pom-pom trim down the side. But then I didn't really have enough room to do a number and journaling like I wanted, or I thought about making it into a pocket. But ultimately, part of what led me to decide to go with this is because, one, I haven't used any of these awesome red felt pockets yet, and two, I have been having issues with my album where all my stuff has been on the left-hand side of the pages, and I really need to balance out with something thick on the right-hand side like this. So this will help with that. It's really cute. So yeah, I'm thinking about layering that on there and trimming it just as like a little added detail, because it is the name of the book. And all this is talking about is the fact that this is the second book by this author. It's actually like a writing duo that goes by the name of Maggie Knox, kind of like Christina Lauren is two female authors. I really enjoyed their first book, The Holiday Swap, and then this one was really cute as well. So that's basically what the journaling is talking about, and how I just got myself all cozy with my new fuzzy slippers and my favorite blanket. And I was reading by the, you can't see it in the photo, but like the Christmas tree was like there all lit up and stuff, and so I was just like enjoying all that. So that's what the journaling is about. The last few years I've told a story of a holiday read, but it is always like me holding up the book in front of the tree. So this year I wanted to do something just a little different. And I like how that came out cute. So that is going in there. And I just need to make sure that my stars are going the right way. And then the other thing I need to do is, I want to decide too if I'm putting it with the star point facing up or facing down. I actually really liked it either way. I was trying to also have it go like a little bit wonky, but not too wonky. I'm just gonna go straight up. So I'm debating if I want to staple it to the pocket through all the layers like this, or staple it and then redline it. Going for it. Actually came out perfect, so love that. And that is pretty much everything. All I need to do is punch the holes, and I don't want to tuck this all the way in because like when it's all the way down it's hard to see, but looks cute. And I need to attach this, of course. And I also was debating if I wanted to use one of these because this one says story, or maybe cheer because it's like a light gray color if I needed to do that. Like Ellie had done to help pull the papers out. I like it with gray. I don't want to do story and story, so I think I'll stick with that. I'm debating if I want to put another staple in there. Usually I do, but I don't really want another one. And red light and tape. So hopefully you guys are still enjoying seeing my videos. I know viewership is down because December daily is like over. Everyone's moving on to like beginning of the year projects. I'm personally still really excited about working on my project because just I was so waylaid in December by everything that was going on. And I'm still really motivated to work on them. So hopefully you guys are excited to see them. I'm going to just keep posting videos. But yeah, it's like crazy how much, not that I do videos for the numbers, but I was getting like 500 views a day on videos and now I'm getting like 100. So, but hopefully later you'll find inspiration, and I'm just going to keep plugging along, and then I will work on beginning of the year January stuff. And I think I still need to finish my Project Life things for October, November, and December. I can't remember. I might have done October. I'll have to look. Man, I'm struggling with this red line tape on this one piece here. Usually peels right up, but it's like peeling up the whole piece instead of pulling up the backing. Here we go. There we go. Whew. Struggle bus. All right. Loving how that came out. Super cute. And I just need to trim, and punch my holes and add to the album. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and bye for now.